Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to run SQL query on your local machine, laptop or desktop. Now here I am going to use Oracle database for storing the data, and I am going to use SQL Developer for running the queries to the database. So this is the link to download the Oracle database. Now here I am going to copy it and then paste it over here. So as you can see, all of these are the enterprise edition for the Oracle database. You can download any database according to your requirement. I have already downloaded it and here it is. So now I am going to install it. So when I double click on it, it asks for the permission. So here it takes some time. So basically this is the database in which we are going to store the data. Then we are going to install SQL Developer through which we are going to fire queries on this database. Now click on next, accept the agreement, and then you can choose the destination folder from here. I am keeping it as it is. Then I am entering the password. Remember, this password will be used for sys and system, both of the database accounts. Fine. So here I am entering password. Then press next. And if you want to note it down, you can note down this details, right? This is the port numbers which you are going to use for making the connection with the database in SQL Developer. Click on install, and it is going to take some time to install this. Now click on finish. Our database is installed. Now what is going to happen is, it is going to redirect you to the page on which you can log into your database. So here this is the page of login. Now here we have already while the time of installation we have already used or entered some password, right? That is for sys or sysdba, and here I am going to enter that password, and here I am pressing login. That means now I am logged into my database, and database service is started, and